So, with Korea's Constitutional Court due to announce its decision on the impeachment motion against President Park Geun-hye, let's now connect to our parliamentary correspondent, Park Jiwon, to hear reaction from the nation's political arena. Jiwon, with less than a day remaining now, could you first tell us how the presidential office of Cheong Wa Dae is dealing with the situation?
Mark, the presidential office hasn't said much yet. It has issued no official announcement or reaction, but the president's chief aide told Arirang News that the presidential office will keep a close eye on the verdict, which is set for 11 a.m. on Friday. The president's lawyers have been claiming that the procedure the National Assembly undertook for the impeachment motion was not legitimate. They also said the motion should be overturned as it is groundless. They were also against the Constitutional Court setting a deadline for the impeachment verdict and its attempt to make a prompt decision, arguing the actions are biased and unjust and favors the opposition over the president.
And Jiwon, what about the political parties? How are they preparing for this huge day tomorrow?
Well, Korea's political parties say they will accept the Constitutional Court's decision. The ruling Liberty Korea party said it hopes the justices reach a conclusion that can be understood by the public following a full examination of the defense put forward by the president's lawyers. Just to note, around half of the ruling party's lawmakers had previously urged the court to overturn the impeachment motion. Well, Korea's four opposition parties, the main opposition Democratic Party of Korea, the minor opposition People's Party, the splinter Conservative Party, and the Justice Party say they expect the court to issue a common-sense decision that's in line with the public sentiment. Specifically, the Democratic Party said it hopes the verdict will end the turmoil and confusion that have divided the country, and it urged the ruling party to accept the outcome. The People's Party said it has no doubt that the court will uphold the impeachment motion. It is said it will now focus on preparing for the presidential election. The Pardon Party, which consists of dozens of former ruling party lawmakers who belong to the non-pro-President Park faction, reiterated its original pledge that all of their lawmakers will resign from the post if the impeachment motion is overturned tomorrow. The Justice Party urged the Constitutional Court to safeguard the Constitution by upholding the motion, saying the country could enter a new era starting tomorrow. Well, that's all I have for now. Back to you, Mark.